Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we've got a CAT 2017 question. I'm Prashant, I'm the founder of WordPundit, and I'll be explaining the logic for this question. Before you go through this video, make sure you solve this question, you've solved the RC. In case you've not done that, pause this video, solve this question, and get back to this video, right? Now the question very simply asks you, according to the passage, some governments still use typewriters, because you've got to identify the reason why governments are using typewriters. The answer here is very simply derived from an extract in the passage itself. You don't have to do a lot to identify the answer here. The author says, type a document and lock it away, and more or less the only way anyone else can get it is if you can give it to them. So this is the line from which the author derives this answer. This line is with reference to governments in the passage, and this is the reason which has been provided why some governments still use typewriters, because it offers this level of privacy, right, and this control. It's not about abandoning old technologies, right? It's not about they want to ensure typewriter production. Governments have got nothing to do with this. It's not about even the nostalgic appeal of the typewriter. It's about controlling who reads the document. It's about privacy. It's about secrecy. And that's why option number D is the easy to identify answer. That line itself directly gives away the answer, right? So it's a pretty easy to identify answer. Hopefully so you're clear with the reasoning for this question. This is one of those questions which has to be solved absolutely, and you've got to get it right, because this is actually a fact-based question, right? So it's as easy as it gets. So you've got to solve these kinds of questions in the exam, and you should not miss out on these, right? Hopefully so you're clear with the answer. Now, thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, happy learning.